Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Salesforce Lightning components using Metadata API. Complete guide step by step clearly. To update Salesforce Lightning components using the Metadata API, you need to follow several steps. First, ensure you have the necessary permissions in your Salesforce environment. Log into your Salesforce account and navigate to the Setup menu. In the Setup menu, search for and select API to access the API settings. Next, you will need to enable the Metadata API if it's not already enabled. Open a terminal or command prompt on your computer. Install the Salesforce CLI if you haven't done so yet. Use the command sfdx force auth web login to log into your Salesforce org through the Salesforce CLI. After logging in, fetch your existing Lightning components using the sfdx force source retrieve command. Specify the components or the full package you want to retrieve in your command line. Once the components are retrieved, navigate to the local directory where the components are stored. Edit the component files as needed using your preferred code editor. After making your changes, save the files and prepare to deploy them back to Salesforce. Return to your terminal and run the command sfdx force source deploy to push your updates to the Salesforce environment. Monitor the deployment process for any errors or confirmations. After a successful deployment, log back into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Lightning App Builder or the relevant Lightning interface to verify your updates. Test the updated components to ensure they function correctly. If you encounter any issues, review the deployment logs for troubleshooting. Continue refining and updating your components as needed, following the same process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.